Okay, hello you guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Billy. If you're new here, make sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing fall mini sessions. Okay, so I got the fanny pack. You gotta have the fanny pack. It's a lifesaver. Throw all your stuff in there. Don't have to fumble, in your backpack. But so today we're going to be going to do fall mini sessions, not at this location, at a different location. So let's go. It's going to be a couple tonight, and hopefully we can get some creek pictures as well. So excited. I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. If you guys like this video, if you want to start coming along to more sessions, make sure you like it, comment down below, and let's get to going. I completely forgot to get thank you cards, so I'm going to run to the store really quick because I can't not do thank you cards. Like, that's just part of my brand, I guess you can say, is thank you cards. So I do have a couple extra minutes, so I'm just going to run. Like I said, it is going to be kind of a time crunch considering I want to get to the location early today. I haven't been there this year yet, but that's okay. I'm just going to run in there. I know exactly where they are at the store that I'm going to. I'm just going to CVS. So yeah. So I'll see you guys probably just at the location. Alright y'all, we made it on the road. So I have 15 minutes. It says it's 12 minutes away. It's 4:03, so I'll be there at about 4:15, which is perfect because that's 15 minutes early, which gives me about 3 minutes to write the business card and get all my stuff together, and then proceed with the session and everything else I need to do. On my way to my sessions, no matter how many sessions I do, I literally always will brush up on a couple mini tips, or a couple poses. That way they're fresh in my mind, because 4:26. So I just got to the location for tonight. Just waiting for my clients, and then we will be good to go. And it's really pretty out here. Thought I cracked my screen, but I didn't, thank goodness. Just waiting for my clients to get here. That's what it's looking like. It's actually a really beautiful fall lake location. Show it to you guys. What it's looking like.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light, the flame over. All that I know is we'll get older. So that
oh, that's cute. Put your hand towards the piano and hold out your breath. 1, 2, and 3. And you can, Brian, have a straight face, and you can look out that way. There you go. Perfect. Now both of you guys smile.
get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. So let us dance this night away.
I hand my client her mood board that we created together and her inspiration, just to see if we wanted to recreate or any inspos we missed that we want to do, just as a little refresher. So there is one that she picked out, and we're going to just go ahead and recreate that pose really quickly here, and that's what you guys are going to see.
So hard to move in here.
Really makes it like
It's like muddy, like clay.
okay. shirt?
Not in the water.
Okay. And then I'm sweating, you guys. And I left my car keys on the top of my car. I'm so hot. Is it even a session if you don't go get ice cream after? You see that sweat, guys?
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Older.